welcome back to Workflow Wednesdays. It's week 10, which means that we've made it. It's been so fun to take a deeper dive into Flow and see all the different aspects and use cases that can be built in our low-code environment. As you've seen over the past 10 weeks, Flow can support all of your AI-powered communication use cases, including chatbots, voice bots, and even messaging bots. So if you remember, back in week 4, we talked about how to connect a voice application to a workflow. And today I really want to pick up where we left off, just to show you how easy it is to build an AI-powered voice assistant. So our workflow today is only going to be comprised of 4 different nodes, including this inbound call node that has been built for us already. If you want to know how we ended up here, go check out week 4's video. So first and foremost, I want to add node number 2, which is going to be our answer node. This answer node essentially picks up the call and allows AI to start to do the talking. We're going to connect our endpoints here, and then to make things super simple, we're not going to change any of our data or the fields here. So we're going to go on to adding our third node, which is our gather using AI node. This node essentially acts as the powerhouse of your voice assistant. What we do want to do today is edit some of these fields to make it really customizable, and I really want to let that power of Flow shine. So we're going to start by choosing our model. I'm going to choose GPT 4.0, and normally it will ask you to connect your OpenAI key, and mine has already connected here. From there, we're going to write our instructions, and these are just kind of telling the LLM how to work. I'm going to add a greeting, so that's what the AI is going to say when it picks up the phone. My use case is going to be super simple here, just kind of a customer service bot that'll help with sales, support, etc. So finally, we're going to add some queries or some arguments, and these arguments are going to be the things that the AI needs to define before hanging up the call. So first is a query, so that's going to be the caller's question, and then we're going to do the response, which is the FAQ bot's reply, and then a category, which kind of tells the category of the caller's question. So finally, I'm going to just add something about hanging up, which will be the final step once all of the questions are answered. The description that I'm putting in here just kind of defines exactly what this argument is. Next, what you can do if you want is edit the voice. Clearly, Telnyx supports a bunch of different voices, but I'm just going to go with Telnyx's Copro TTS model. Finally, we need to add our last node, which is going to be the hang up call node. And then, as by the name, it just hangs up the call and finishes the workflow execution. So what we're going to do is press save, and then we're going to test it out.
Welcome to Cool Company. I'm here to help. Please state your question clearly.
Hey, so I'm having a little bit of trouble trying to figure out how to reset my password.
No problem at all. To reset your password, you'll need to go to the login page and click on the Forgot Password link. Then follow the instructions sent to your email. Do you need help with anything else?
Nope, that's it. Thanks so much. Now, as you can see, it hangs up for you. So that's just one really simple use case. And obviously it's only made of 4 nodes, but maybe your use case is a little bit more complex and maybe requires 24 nodes. Flow is super flexible, adaptable, and customizable, meaning that it can support any of your AI-powered use cases. And if you have more questions about that, just hop on into Flow's documentation. This will really help you move past any of the roadblocks that you find. And if you are specifically building an AI-powered voice assistant, come down to Quick Start and click Call Control Voice Workflows. This pretty much guides you through step-by-step how to build a voice assistant. And it goes into a lot more detail than I walked you through today. Also, check out any of our other documentation. This is going to help you move past any challenges that you may face when getting started, and it's a great resource to turn to while you're building. So thank you so much for joining us in this 10-week series. I really hope that you learned something and that you're even more excited about what you can do with Flow.